In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Little Talks by Of Monsters and Men, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out this song now. Now to play Little Talks, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are A minor, F major, C major, and G major. Let's check out those chords together now. So the first chord for this song is A minor. To play that, take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. And the last chord for this song is G major. To play that, just take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, pause, up, down, up. Let's play through that string pattern now on the A minor chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, pause, up, down, down, pause, up, down, down, pause, up, down, down, pause, up, down, up. Now we're going to cover the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be A minor for 4 beats, F major for 4 beats, C major for 4 beats, and G major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by reading out each chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, F major, go. 1, 2, C major, go. 1, 2, G major, go. 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, F major, go. 1, 2, C major, go. 1, 2, G major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's apply the string pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Little Talks. 1, 2, 1, 2. There's an old voice in my head that's holding me back. We'll tell her that I miss our little talks. Soon it will be over and buried with our past. We used to play outside when we were young and full of life and love, and some days I don't know if I am wrong or right. Your mind is playing tricks on you, my dear. 'Cause though the truth may vary, this ship will carry our bodies safe to shore. Don't listen to a word I say. The screams all sound the same. Though the truth may vary, this ship will carry our bodies safe to shore. And to end the song, we're just going to ring out on the downbeat of the C major chord. Now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my ukulele cover for Little Talks. And that's how you play Little Talks by Of Monsters and Men. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and to my friends at Soundbrenner for allowing me to showcase their awesome instrument watch. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so that you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.